Hello everyone, my name is Maria Yulianti. I am student majoring in accounting at Mercubuana University, Jakarta. So today I will discuss a topic about mental health issues for the young generation. As the current generation, or what we usually hear as the Gen Z generation, of course we know that there are many problems that occur in today's life. Gen Z itself is a generation group that was generally born in 1997 and above. So, because this discussion is about mental health issues, I will touch a little about mental health issues among Gen Z. Based on information I obtained from the internet, it turns out that according to University College London research, Gen Z depression rate is two-thirds higher than millennials. Why do you think this could happen? Yes, of course, we know that as time goes by, the existing technology also develops. Technology certainly creates a platform for the development of social media where it can have an influence in building a person's character and mentality. For example, the second account phenomenon. Most of Generation Z today currently have more than one social media account. This happens because most of them don't want to show their true identity on social media. Of course, this characteristic indicate an unhealthy personality. It's like on social media, Gen Z has to wear many masks as if playing a role. If this phenomenon lasts long enough, it will affect the mental health of Gen Z. Apart from that, it's still about social media. I think the younger generation is much braver in conveying things. Maybe there are positive things to be gained, but sometimes this courage makes the current generation unable to control themselves completely. They become outspoken and seems less ethical because maybe they think that it is their freedom to use social media. Of course, ethic and behavior they are accustomed to are enough to make other generation above them have to continue to understand them and can trigger a commotion due to difference in view and thought patterns. From this, of course, as the younger generation, we need to control ourselves over the use of social media by managing and limiting the time we use social media. With this limit, you will definitely be able to minimize the negative impact of social media, especially on mental health. This self-control can include how long we are exposed to social media. For example, within 1 to 2 hours, you feel tired of using social media. You must immediately to stop and look for other distraction. In fact, there are no limits to using social media. The only person who knows the time limits is yourself. By having proper self-control, I think young generation can definitely avoid mental health disorder. Apart from social media, of course, healthy relationships are also needed in everyday life. The young generation needs to choose their relationships so they don't fall into bad things, which can later affect their mental health. Because in conditions like this, perhaps the current generation will be more comfortable sharing and telling stories with friends than within their parents. So, for friendship to provide positive things, of course, you also need positive people. Avoid those who only want to influence and damage our mental health, and we ourselves must also believe in ourselves so that we are not easily influenced and easily carried away by emotion about things that can affect our mental health. If at any time we feel stressed, we can do positive things such as exercising every day, setting aside time for ourselves, maintaining our diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding alcohol and drugs. mental health for the current generation is very important because will depend on productivity, which will lead to the prosperity of a nation in the future. So, that's all for my discussion about mental health for young generation. I hopefully we as the young generation can continue to provide positive things and avoid mental health. Thank you and goodbye.